company covers an area of 1,500 square meters and has 30 employees. We are specialized in LiFePO4 battery. Our company has rich experience in the lithium iron phosphate battery industry. Our main products include LiFePO4 energy storage battery / golf cart LiFePO4 battery. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has battery high and low temperature detection, battery capacity detection, battery performance detection equipment to strictly control the product quality. As a professional LiFePO4 battery supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, also for our batteries we have obtained CE, RoHS, FCC, full set C delivery certificates. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us and finally bring you the satisfied products for common success.